6 mistakes you must never commit while eating avocado. Avocado has gained immense popularity in recent years, not just for its creamy texture and rich flavor, but also for its numerous health benefits. Whether you enjoy it smashed on toast, sliced in salads, or blended into smoothies, it's important to savor this nutritious fruit the right way. However, there are common mistakes that many people make when indulging in avocado, which can affect its taste, texture, and nutritional value. Here are 6 mistakes you must avoid when eating avocado. Number 1. Waiting too long to eat it. Avocados ripen quickly, and their window of perfect ripeness is often short. Waiting too long to eat an avocado can result in it becoming overripe, mushy, or even rotten. To enjoy the best flavor and texture, consume ripe avocados promptly, ideally within a day or two of reaching optimal ripeness. Number 2. Not checking for ripeness. On the flip side, eating an avocado before it's ripe can be equally disappointing. Many people make the mistake of cutting into an avocado too soon, only to find that it's hard and flavorless. To determine if an avocado is ripe, gently squeeze it in the palm of your hand. It should yield slightly to pressure but not feel overly soft. Number 3. Improper storage. Storing avocados improperly can hasten their ripening process or cause them to spoil prematurely. To keep avocados fresh for longer, store them at room temperature until they reach the desired ripeness. Once ripe, you can extend their shelf life by storing them in the refrigerator. Additionally, storing avocados next to ethylene-producing fruits like apples and bananas can speed up the ripening process. Number 4. Removing the pit incorrectly. Removing the pit from an avocado can be tricky, and doing it improperly can result in injury or wasted fruit. Some people attempt to remove the pit by stabbing it with a knife, which can be dangerous and may also damage the flesh of the avocado. A safer method is to gently scoop out the pit with a spoon, starting from the edge and working your way around. Number 5. Not seasoning properly. Avocado's mild flavor can benefit greatly from seasoning, yet many people overlook this step. Adding a pinch of salt, a squeeze of lemon or lime juice, or a sprinkle of chili flakes can enhance the taste of avocado dishes and make them more enjoyable. Experiment with different seasonings to find combinations that suit your palate. Number 6. Letting leftovers sit too long. If you have leftover avocado, it's essential to store it properly to prevent it from browning and losing its freshness. To keep cut avocado from oxidizing, store it in an airtight container with a piece of onion or lemon, which can help delay browning. Alternatively, you can cover the exposed flesh tightly with plastic wrap, ensuring that there's minimal air contact. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can elevate your avocado eating experience and fully appreciate the deliciousness and nutritional benefits of this versatile fruit. Whether you're enjoying it as a spread, a topping, or a standalone dish, savor every bite of avocado goodness.